All right, thanks for joining me this week. Got a lot of exciting concrete work up front here. So on the left side here on the corner, don't mind that, I just kind of fell and my palm print is now forever in your driveway. I'll show you right here. Just kidding. I don't know why I thought that was funny. Anyways, so we got that flat work in there. And we've got this, and actually I'm going to walk over here so you can see what it looks like from the doorway. I'm hoping that the off-center bricks there are intentional. Pretty sure I remember that in the renderings, but I thought that would be funny if the concrete guy accidentally just set two of them to the left there. Okay. Inside the house, I did just a quick walkthrough myself. There wasn't a ton of new updates in the house. I mean, at this point, I think they're just waiting on the floors, and then they're going to get the finishing touches in here. I mean, there's certain things they need to do, like the little paint spot on the wall here that's marked. They got to get that fixed. And they've got little dings in here. Got to get that finished. But it is coming along nicely. I like that your tabs have this extra little circle there. I've got tabs at my house and they're not quite as thick as those. That's nice. Nothing new on the bench. Bench looks the same. Walking into the garage here. Again, we're just going to do our 360 pan around the garage. I think the lights are new. So I'll go in this corner and I'll kind of shoot up here. Yeah, the lights are new, the LED bulbs. There is a lot of light in this garage. It does not feel as cavernous as most garages do, so that's very nice. Apparently they do not want these thrown away. Do not throw away. That's good to know. Very clear instructions. Okay. That's off. Okay, in the Harry Potter closet, we have what I assumed was a light. Okay, I guess not. I have no idea what that is and what that button controls because I thought it was a light. We'll revisit that next week. Obviously, they've still got some touch-ups, like on this door right here. Got some red splotches they got to deal with. Come back through and get those painted. So there is still minor touch-up work for sure that needs to be done in the house, along with installing the entire floor and finishing the kitchen. So that's where we're headed next. We're going to start here. Starting to see a lot more of the white marks where they're just marking stuff that needs to be repainted and retouched up. Fireplace still looks awesome. Really good focal point there. Coming around to this side of the room. In the back corner here, we can see the kitchen. Got a good view of that. I don't know. Oh, maybe the uppers weren't there last week. Honestly, I'm having a hard time remembering what's new and what's not at this point. Feels like we've kind of been stuck in this phase for a while. The nice pendant lighting. Don't know if you've seen that for the plum for the Coltrane vac. That's going to be your suite. I don't remember that being there. Again, nothing new here except this spider web. I love walking into that. Out on the back patio, we'll kind of just do a little quick pan out here. Got the alley road over there going in. So those homes are still a good distance away. So that is very nice. And then if we bring that over here, kind of looking at the patio. I mean, honestly, nothing new out on the patio either. Nothing new out there. So we'll make our way to the master bedroom. Okay. Before I walk in, I'm going to pan up and down from the doorway. And then typically I go to that corner, so we're going to try a different corner today. Kind of get a shot. Got all these color boxes here. Not sure what we got going on there. I was wondering if it was the toilet replacements, but then I remembered I don't think those are Kohlers. Okay. Got those extra bright lights. This is looking real nice. Obviously they've got stuff marked to be repaired in here. If we walk over here and see nothing new in the shower. Matter of fact, that kit is still there. So I don't think anyone's touched the shower at all. Still no toilet in here yet. We don't have the replacement one. And then in here again, you know, master closet. And nothing else new to report in here. I mean, aside from the marks that you're seeing like this, that they've obviously marked up to be retouched up. Okay. So, this is from the powder room looking at the stairs. Again, going up to those lights as we come right here. A lot of work here that they're starting to finish on the railing and on the wall. You're starting to see all the dings getting fixed. Both sides here, also on this railing. Obviously they've smoothed that out. Smoothed. Wow, that was a tough word. And it's really pretty from up here. I love this view. Okay, back into the house. Again, other than the minor white spots you're seeing all over the wall, not a lot to report. That's new. They've got that extra insulation right there. I think they're just getting ready to close that sucker up. Okay, as we walk down the hallway here, into the bathroom. Whoa. Looks like they're doing some finish work. Some finished caulk work right here. Kind of caulking that back. Coming through and doing all the touch-ups. Still don't have the replacement toilet. And I can't remember if they were doing one up here. I thought we were doing that same toilet upgrade throughout the house, but maybe they weren't up here because that one's still there. Okay, guest bedroom. Again, right to the window, and then back into the bedroom. And your other access point into the attic in the backside. Okay. Okay. Looks like, again, same thing in here. They got some chips, some peels they're getting ready to fix. And I think that's going to wrap up this week's video. Nothing super exciting other than the flat work out front. I wonder if I can get a good view from this window. Just kind of looking down to end on. Nope, it's totally shielded by the house. So we'll walk down and out the front door to end this video, just so you can see what it looks like coming from the house. Thanks for watching.